How to create Cronjob via cPanel. Cronjobs help in reducing routine administrative works. They are a series of tasks that system runs from a script file. These tasks are run repeatedly at the time or interval you set in your Cronjob. Let's create a Cronjob. Log into your cPanel account. You will be on this page. Scroll down to go to the Advanced section and click on the Cronjobs icon. Scroll down to Common Settings menu. Here you can set the time interval for your Cronjob as per your requirements. Some configured settings of time intervals are already given. Go and click to open the drop-down list. There are different settings specifying when exactly the Cronjob will run. Let's choose the time interval setting once per day. Notice that the system automatically populated the text boxes given below. The Cronjob will run at the beginning of hour, at 12 a.m. every day. You can continue with one of the settings provided by the system, or you can also set your own time interval. Suppose you want the task to complete at 9:30 a.m. every Monday. Let's fill in the customized time settings. Now enter the command you want to run in the command field. Now click on Add New Cronjob. The Cronjob has been successfully created. Thank you for watching.